Sobrang masaya talaga ako dito, guys. Tignan nyo! Organize na siya! Siya nag-ayos niya, no? Good job. Oh, di ba? Nagamit agad. This is a must-have for toddler mamas. Hey Momshies! Welcome to the vlog! Today we're going to reorganize the kitchen, the table, everything else para sa ating Happy New Year! Bagong organize dapat ang ating bahay. So tara, let's do this! Let's go! Kailangan kong i-organize mga Momshies. And this one, oh my god. Bumili na ako nito pero I don't think it's enough. Pero magmukha siyang okay. That's the before. Let's try to see. Maging better siya after. Yeah, try natin. I'm so happy, nagkasya siya, guys. Sobrang kasya siya sa ano. Perfect na perfect. Ayan, ma-organize ko na rin sila. I'm so happy. Pati ito sa kabila. Let's do this. So, if you've watched the previous vlog, kasama to sa aking Japan haul and / kitchen haul. Watch that vlog if hindi nyo pa napanood.
Finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take.
Sobrang masaya talaga ako dito, guys. Tignan nyo! Organize na siya! Mga inumin sa taas, drinks, sweets, gatas, canned goods, pangluto. Open. Yung popsicle maker, kasama din to sa haul, guys. Wala pa tong anak, wala pa tong laman, okay? So, ayan. Next stop, this side. Ayusin natin.
If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It's true. Baby, how I need the loving of you. for too long. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true.
The next thing that we need to organize. There. I'll try to see if we can organize it.
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind. I packed our bags, we'll be on our way. The night was long.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
So, final look. Ayan. I moved some things sa loob. Ilagay ko yung mga kutsara dito. Some plato. And some mga pangluto dito. And dun yung mga ibang tasa and tumblers na hindi nagagamit. And nandito yung mga pangluto namin. Ayan, ilagay ko siya dyan. Kasi para mag-make space dito. At malinisan ko to. Lagi kasing madumi to eh, guys. So, ayan, nalinis na siya. Wala nang lama dyan. And ito yung everyday namin ginagamit. Diyan ko na lang nilagay. Ayan, mas konti na siya ngayon. Yung mga takip na doon nakalagay dito. Tsaka yung mga pang kids na plato. Yung bago kong biling mga gamit. Like this one. Diyan. Ayan, ayos na yun dyan. So happy with this kitchen organization. Ayan. Ayan na siya. Oh my God. Transformed. Ito talaga. Ayan. Mga patatas. Ayan. Princess Sarah. So here we go. This is it. Very good, Kuya. You're cleaning up your toys. Ayan, nilinis na yung toy niya. Nagkalat. Very good yan. Oh. Siya nag-ayos niya, no? Good job. Say hello to River's Fire and Ice. Good job, River. Oh, saktong-sakto. Bago kong bili. Tapos may crayon. Ayun tayo eh. Minsan natin. I-try natin. Oh, in fairness. Gumagana. Tatanggal yung crayons. Oh, di ba? Nagamit agad. This is a must-have for toddler mamas. Oh my gosh.
We got your soul, hunting alone, traveling from the deep forest into the sun, in war there's never an option to run. Oh, Geronimo, tears keep on falling, the nighttime is ours. Oh, Geronimo. Give us your soul, hunting alone, traveling from the deep forest into the sun, in war there's never an option to run. Oh, Geronimo, tears keep on falling, the nighttime is ours. Oh, Geronimo. Oh, Geronimo, tears keep on falling, the nighttime is ours. Oh, Geronimo. Oh, Geronimo.
I was lost in a city dream, and I was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me, and you saw me and smiled. I will never forget the first time when I saw you. I thought I lost my mind. Blue and faded was blown away and left behind. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt more right. Woke up lonely this world I wouldn't do. I would walk 1,000 miles just to see you. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must in.
Hey Momshies! I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. I'm gonna end the vlog now and I'm so happy na sobra talagang naayos na yung kusina. Kasi talagang nananaginip na ako dati na gusto kong ayusin yun. Finally, naayos ko na siya thanks to yung mga organizers from Japan Surplus. And I'm so happy na medyo nag-change na rin ako ng organization sa my desk ko. Nagbawas ako ng mga gamit doon. Just the essentials. Kasi medyo cluttered na. And I'm also so happy na naayos ko yung aming closet. Yung mga laundry na okay na. So today has been a productive day. So I wish that you are also inspired to start organizing your house. Lalo na't New Year ngayon. And I will see you guys, Momshies. I will see you on the next video. Bye! Hi, Dada! Hi, Dada! Hi, Dada! Say hi, Dada! Get sunshine! Yes.